In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Wix website from Live Web. If you want to take your Wix site offline, there are two main options and the right one depends on what you are trying to do. You can unpublish the website, which temporarily hides it from the public while keeping all of your content and files intact. Or you can delete the website, which removes it from your active dashboard and starts the process of permanent removal. Let's begin with how to unpublish a Wix website. This is the best option if you simply want to hide the site for now and maybe bring it back later. Start by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to take offline. Once you are inside the site's dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you find Settings. Click that, then choose Website Settings. At the top of the page, you will see a section labeled Site is Published. In that section, click Unpublish. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Unpublish again to confirm. Once that's done, your website will no longer be visible to visitors online, but everything on the site will remain saved in your account. That means you can republish it anytime if you decide to make it live again. Now let's go over how to delete a Wix website. This option is better if you no longer need the site and want to remove it from your active list of websites. Keep in mind that moving a site to the trash will also unpublish it immediately. To do this, go to your Wix dashboard and click the drop-down menu in the top left corner, so you can navigate to all sites. From there, find the website you want to remove next to the site thumbnail or list item. Click the Show More icon, which appears as 3 dots. In the menu that opens, select Move to Trash, or in some cases, Delete Site, and then confirm your choice. At that point, the site is removed from your active dashboard and placed in the trash. If you want to permanently delete it right away instead of waiting, here is one more optional step. Reload the page, open the trash folder. Locate the site. Click the 3 dots again and select Remove Site. This will permanently remove the website immediately instead of keeping it in the trash for up to 90 days. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.